angry plates. So the materials that you need to run this demonstration is you need a couple of styrofoam plates. I bought 30 of them for, I think it was 85 cents, something really cheap. So you need at least 2 foam plates. And then also I've got some rabbit fur here that I'm going to use to charge them up. Okay, so that's pretty much all you need to run this demonstration. So let me show you how I run this, and then we'll talk about the science behind it at the end. All right, so right now they're not angry at each other. They like each other. We can set one plate right on top of the other. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub this rabbit fur on this plate right down here. And I'm going to do it on this plate right here. And now when I try to set this plate right on top, it just won't do it. I can try to set it here, let go of it, and it's gonna fly off to the side. I can even set it on there, let go, and then it's gonna jump off. Now if I want to, I can take this, I can rub it kind of on the back of my arm, I can try to discharge this one here, and then by setting it on there, well, they're friends again. But to get them so that they're angry, to get them so that they're not attached or near each other like this, we have to charge them up. So doing this one more time, the more you charge it, the more they will repel. You can do the same thing with your hair. I just don't want to. It's more fun to do it with this. So if I try to drop this on there, it's definitely not going to land on the other plate. It's going to go off to the side. Do a little spin here. All right, and we call this angry plates. What's the science behind this? Why do these 2 plates not like each other? Okay, well what's happening is we have some charge that's being built up, so some electrostatic charge on each of these plates. So I'm using this rabbit fur, rubbing it on the plate, and depositing extra electrons. So those electrons on this plate are spreading out, and I'm giving the whole plate an overall charge that's negative. Okay, and when I do the same thing with this plate, well, we've got negative charge, and like charges repel. Okay, positive charges repel, negative charges repel, opposite charges attract. And right here we had negative, negative, and that's why it repelled. And by the time I, kind of rub the back of my hand or my arm on this, like this right here, okay, I've taken that extra charge, I've absorbed that charge, so now the plate's back to being neutral, this one's back to being neutral, I set it down there and it's not flying off.